I got fucking fat because I was constantly making that fucking excuse. Oh, you know, X amount of people in the company, they're taking up all my time. I don't have time to go to the gym. I gotta grind. I gotta prioritize my work. Grind. That's fucking bullshit, okay? Because like, truth is, health is wealth, right? We can't fucking prioritize our fucking pockets over our fucking health, right? Because our pockets are useless if our fucking health is shit. And I was that CEO who kept fucking making every excuse in the fucking book. And then I fucking realized, I'm like, dude, I have a coaching company, right? I have an online fitness coaching company. How the fuck can I be out of shape? How am I allowing myself to get to a point of obesity, right? Fuck, I was 263 pounds, bro. I was almost 300 pounds. I was 40 pounds away from being 300 pounds and just kept eating shit, kept going out, kept doing stupid shit, right? Until I fucking looked at myself one day and I was like, holy fuck, how did I go from that to that? You fucking remember how shredded I was? The fact that I know what I'm capable of, the fact that I know what the greatest version of myself looks like physically was fucking bothering me, because when you go from that to this, right? Like, it was fucking driving me crazy, but now I'm fucking back in shape. Now I'm feeling confident. Now I'm feeling good. Now I'm not fucking blaming, oh, I'm too busy to go to the gym because of my job, because no, the gym is my fucking job. If I don't look and feel a fucking certain way, I can't operate 34 people in this company and give them my 110%.